Have you ever paused to consider the quality of air in your living room? It's a question that may not often cross our minds, but it's one of great significance. Our living rooms are spaces where we spend a significant amount of our time, whether it's unwinding after a long day, entertaining friends, or bonding with family. Thus, the quality of air in these spaces directly impacts our overall health and well-being. Here's where the magic of plants comes into play. They aren't just aesthetic additions to your living room decor. Each leafy friend plays a dual role, beautifying your space and working tirelessly to purify the air. They act as natural air purifiers, removing harmful toxins and releasing fresh oxygen, contributing to a healthier living environment. So when you next consider a living room makeover, why not think green? Now that we've set the stage, let's check out into the top 5 decor plants that can help purify the air in your living room. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Sizzling Squeeze for more exciting videos every week. First up on our list is the snake plant, a popular choice among many home decor enthusiasts. The snake plant, also known as Sansevieria, is an attractive plant that's easy to care for, making it a perfect choice for both beginner plant parents and seasoned botanists. Its tall, upright leaves, characterized by a rich green color and striking yellow edges, add a touch of elegance and a pop of color to any space. But the snake plant is not just about looks, it's a powerful air purifier known for its ability to filter out toxins from the air. Remarkably, this plant continues to work its magic even during the night, unlike most plants that only purify the air during the day. It's particularly effective at removing toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene, which are common in many households. With its striking stripes and air-purifying abilities, the snake plant makes a great addition to any living room. Next on our list is the Aloe Vera, a plant known for its healing properties. This succulent is a popular plant in many households, not just for its striking, spiky appearance, but also for its practical benefits. Beyond its well-known medicinal uses, such as soothing burns and promoting skin health, the Aloe Vera is a silent warrior in air purification. This green gem is an expert at removing harmful toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from the air. These are common volatile organic compounds that can lurk in our homes, released by paints, cleaners, and other household products. So, having an aloe vera around is like having a natural air filter, working tirelessly to keep your living space healthy. What's more, the aloe vera is incredibly easy to maintain. It thrives in sunny locations and requires minimal watering, making it a perfect choice even for those who don't possess a green thumb. Its distinctive, modern look also adds a touch of nature-inspired elegance to any room. The aloe vera's dual functionality as a decor piece and an air purifier surely makes it a valuable addition to your living room. Coming up next is the rubber plant, a resilient choice for improving air quality. Hailing from the tropics, this plant has made a name for itself in the world of indoor gardening. Its secret superpower? An impressive ability to thrive even in less sunlight, making it a perfect companion for those dimly lit living rooms. But there's more to the rubber plant than just its love for shade. This plant is also a powerful air purifier. It's known to remove toxins from the air, specifically formaldehyde, a common household pollutant. Imagine, with a rubber plant in your living room, you're not only adding a touch of green to your decor but also taking a step towards healthier living. It's not just about functionality though, the rubber plant also scores high on aesthetics. Its large, glossy leaves add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any space. With its large, glossy leaves and air-cleaning properties, the rubber plant is a true gem for any living room. Next in line is the Chinese evergreen, a charming plant that packs a punch when it comes to purifying the air. This delightful houseplant is not just a pretty face, it works tirelessly, removing a variety of toxins from the air, including benzene and formaldehyde. The Chinese evergreen is a true hero in the world of air purification. It's not all about the functionality though. The Chinese evergreen also boasts an attractive appearance, with its lush, variegated leaves adding a touch of elegance to any living room. It's a plant that effortlessly combines practicality with style. What's more, it's an easy care plant, making it a perfect choice for beginners. It can thrive in low-light conditions and doesn't require constant attention. It's a plant that's as resilient as it is beautiful. The Chinese evergreen, with its toxin-busting capabilities and appealing aesthetics, certainly earns its place in our top 5. Last but not least, we have the Boston Fern, a beneficial plant that's more than just a pretty face. This green gem is known for its ability to act as a natural humidifier, keeping your living room's atmosphere fresh and comfortable. But that's not all. The Boston Fern is also a champion when it comes to removing toxins from the air. It's a hard-working leafy friend that tirelessly cleanses your space. Now let's talk aesthetics. The Boston Fern's feathery fronds cascade beautifully, adding a touch of elegance to any living room. Its lush green color and delicate texture can soften the look of modern decor or complement a more traditional setting. It's a versatile decor piece that brings a little bit of the outdoors inside all year round. The Boston Fern, with its air-purifying and aesthetic benefits, rounds off our list of top 5 decor plants for your living room. With these plants in your living room, you can breathe easy knowing you're surrounded by nature's very own air purifiers. Stay green and stay healthy.
Stay tuned and subscribe to Sizzling Squeeze for more exciting content.